Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover manual planning in profit center accounting, which includes defining planning layouts, maintaining planner profile, and posting of planned values. First, we'll go by planning layout. What is planning layout? Planning layout, it is a layout of the screen and the details of the fields which will be available for input at the time of entering the planned data into the system, SAP system. Let's go to SAP system, see the planning layout. We can go by transaction code 7 KEC for display, KEB for change, and KEA for creation, or we can go by IMG screen. Let's go to SAP IMG controlling profit center accounting, planning, manual planning, planning layouts. Here we can see three types of planning layouts. Planning layout for costs and revenues, planning layout for balance sheet accounts, planning layout for statistical key figures. Let's open this planning layout for costs and revenues. First click on display. So here is the list of the planning layouts provided by SAP. These are the standard planning layouts. Generally, the planning layouts provided by SAP are more than enough for maintaining planning data. If required, there is a possibility to create a planning layout also. So this is the list of the planning layouts available for planning layout for costs and revenues. Planning layout for costs and revenues. Let us suppose planning layout 8A111. This one. Planning layout 8A111 is having this pro forma layout, which includes first column is account number. This one will be text or a description of this number, and this is a amount column, and this is a distribution key, and this is units of measure. So when we go to entering the planning data using planning screen, costs and revenues planning, when you double click on this, it will take us to this planning data screen, planning data entering screen. Here we can see that layout 88111. The same layout we have seen this 88111. So let us go inside this screen. We only selected balance sheet accounts. We need to select here profit and loss account. Since we are planning the costs and revenue accounts, we cannot enter here balance sheet account. Hit enter and go inside. Here you can see the columns account number and text. Here account number and text. Then amount and distribution key. Amount and distribution key. Units of measure. Units of measure. The same way. Similarly, for balance sheet accounts also, we are having planning layouts. Close it. Open the second one. Click on display. This is the list of the planning layouts available for planning balance sheet accounts. So let's open this balance sheet account. Change balance sheet account. Display. Here also we can see that account number, text, amount, distribution key. Here account number, text, amount, distribution key, and unit of measure, like this. So finally we can say that it is the pro forma of the input screen of the planning data, independently designed for balance sheet accounts, profit and loss, costs and revenue accounts, and statistical key figures. So we are having different planning layouts for costs and revenues. balance sheet accounts and statistical key figures. Also, the planning layouts provided by SAP are more than enough. If required, there is a possibility to create a planning layout. Just open this planning layout for the statistical key figures. So these are the list of planning layouts available for planning the statistical key figures. Now let's go to second step, maintain planner profile. In planner profile, we will be grouping planning layout from costs and revenues, planning layout from balance sheet, planning layout from SKF. We are having a huge list of planning layouts available for independent individually for balance sheet accounts and costs and revenue accounts and SKF. We will choose few from these, few from these, and few from these, and make a group of it and make it as a planner profile. Let's go to SAP screen. So here, when you open this list, there is a very big list of planning layouts available under costs and revenues. What we'll do is that we will choose among this list of layouts which are useful and suitable for us and assign it to our profile, planning profile. Open this, maintain planning profile. There is a list of planning profiles provided by SAP. Here, planning profiles are also more than enough provided by SAP. We can create our own profile also. Here, for profit center accounting, we can see planning profile is SAP 801. It is provided by SAP standard planning profile. It includes few planning layouts from costs and revenues, few planning profiles from statistical key figures and balance sheet accounts. Let's open this. This planning profile is having three groups: costs and revenues, SKF and balance sheet accounts. Open this, select this one and double click on layouts. So these are the list of the planning layouts selected. There was earlier we could see there was a list of a huge list of planning layouts. Out of those we have selected four and assigned this to our planning profile under this category, costs and revenues. Let's go back and statistical key figures also we have selected one planning layout and assigned this to our planner profile under this category, statistical key figures. Go back, inventories. It is nothing but balance sheet accounts. Open this. So here also we can see two layouts we have selected out of the list available and assign this to our planner profile under this inventories category. So what happens is that when we set our planner profile to SAP 801, these list of layouts will be available for input. So we have linked our layouts to this planner profile. So then the next step is to set this profile. How to set this profile? Here in planning, the first step itself is set planner profile. Double click. Here a screen will come. We can enter SAP 801 planner profile, which we could see here, SAP 801. Okay, done. We have set our planner profile to this one, SAP 801. What will happen when we set this? When we go to planning data input screens, here what are the layouts we selected, those only will be available. Only those layouts will be available. Let's go there. Open it. So here we can see 8111. Go back. Select this costs and revenues and layouts. 88111. Here we can see the layout 88111. Select next layout 8A112. Here we can see 8A112. Next layout 113. 113. Next layout 114. 114. So why? Because only these layouts are available since we have set our planner profile to SAP 801. Now let's go to next step, which is entering of a planning data into SAP system. The first one is the planning data entered to be for cost and revenues. Transaction code is 7KE1 or we can go by easy access. 7KE1. Double click. Version 0, period 12, fiscal year 2022, company code, and profit center, any profit center. Select revenue GL account. Select any GL from the list. Let us take 4018. Enter. Click on enter. Let's enter any amount. Suppose 50,000. Enter. Click on save. Data record was posted to document 2000019. So we have entered a planning amount of 50,000 to this account under this profit center. So where this data is getting saved? So it is getting saved in table GLPCP SC16. Go to table GLPCP version 0, fiscal year 2022, company code 2RCB, profit center. What is the profit center? Test -100, 100, controlling area 2RCB, account number 4018. Click on execute. Here document number is 2000019. You can display again 50,000. Double click on it. This profit center and this account number is having 50,000 planned. Transaction type is PCA, profit center accounting planned data. PCAP transaction type. So we have done the first step in entering planning data. Planning value entered to costs and revenues. Now let's go to balance sheet account planning data. Go to 7KE3, or we can go to easy access 7KE3. Double click. Version 0, fiscal year, company code, same profit center. This time select the balance sheet account 1100. Click on display. Enter 1 lakh. Click on save. Document 2000020. Again go to table GLPCP. Go back. Same data but change the account number. This time account number is 1100. Balance sheet account. Click on execute. Yes, we can see the document number 20 ending with 20. Company code, profit center, and the account number. Amount should be 1 lakh. Yes, here you can see 1 lakh rupees. Document type is PCAB, balance sheet account, profit center, and the document number. So we have completed the second step also, entering planning data to balance sheet accounts, and the last one is entering planning data to statistical key figures. Transaction code is 7KE5. Go back. 7KE5. Version 0, period 12, fiscal year, company code, profit center, statistical key figure. Select from drop down 2RCB2. Hit enter. Enter quantity as 1000. Hit enter. Click on save. Document 2000021 has been saved. Again go to table GLPCP. Go back. Remove account number. Execute. document number 0021. Here profit center test 100 controlling area. Transaction is profit center accounting statistical key figure. K referring to statistical key figure. And the value we should be seeing quantity, under quantity, not under currency. Under quantity we can see 1000. So we have completed all the 3 steps of planning. This plan data we can see directly using transaction code KE5Y. Instead of going to table GLPCP, we can see the data in transaction KE5Y also. KE5Y plan data. Version 0, period 12, profit center, test 100. Document numbers also we can enter. If you know the document numbers, we can enter directly. 21. Click on execute. Here we can see 1 lakh rupees, 50,000 rupees. This is balance sheet account. This is revenue account. This line is referring to statistical key figure. Here, if once you double click on it, inside that you can see the quantity here. You can click on display also. There also you can see the quantity field, statistical key figure. So with this, we have completed all the steps which we wanted to cover today.